My first impression was it gave me exactly what I was looking for.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, it is.
Wow. 143. Pretty good.
Yeah.
Not too scary, right?
It hit all the points that I wanted, so I'm a happy guy.
That's very impressive.
If you want a no worries build, come to Hennessey.